Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start a new topic from 9th grade which is related to the atomic model, and it is known as Rutherford's atomic model. Rutherford's atomic model. It helps us to understand the structure of an atom. Now, Rutherford has performed an experiment. He took a thin gold foil. It's a thin gold foil. Its thickness is around 0.00004 centimeter. And then he took an alpha particle source which is known as polonium source. You know, polonium is a radioactive element. It keeps on emitting radiations. So he took this polonium as an alpha particle source, which means from this polonium atom, alpha particles will be emitting. Okay. Now he allowed these alpha particles to bombard on thin gold foil. Around the gold foil, there is a fluorescent screen so that it should shine and we can know where the radiations are moving. Now you all know that alpha particles. What are alpha particles? They are basically helium nuclei. They are the positively charged particles. They are known as helium nuclei. When alpha particles were allowed to bombard on thin gold foil, what observations Rutherford has made? According to Rutherford, when the alpha radiations were falling on the gold foil, few of the particles, they passed straight without any deflection, whereas certain particles, they were deflected back at 90 degree, and few of the rays, they stayed inside. We have not seen either emitting at 90 degree or going straight. So from this experiment, Rutherford has drawn certain conclusions. Majority of the particles which pass straight from the gold foil, from that it has assumed that major part of an atom is empty. Major part of an atom is empty. Few particles which were deflected at 90 degree from the thin gold foil, it has been assumed that those particles which were deflected back, it means they have hit inside the gold foil certain particles which are positively charged. That is why they were deflected back. So there is a positive charge present inside the gold foil. Third point is few particles we have not seen where they are gone, which means that there are certain negative charged particles inside the gold foil. अब this was the whole experiment which was performed. अब इससे देखा जाए तो what we have come across this thing that the structure of an atom comprises of a nucleus, and around the nucleus are the circles which are called shells or orbits. In these circles, electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Nucleus contains positive charge and neutral particles. Protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus. Around the nucleus are the circles in which electrons are orbiting. Now, there are few defects in Rutherford's atomic model. अब हम देखते हैं कि what are those defects in Rutherford atomic model? According to Rutherford, electrons are revolving around the nucleus. When they keep on moving and moving, what will happen? Electron ultimately will lose its energy and will fall inside the nucleus. It's a faulty assumption. In reality, it will not happen. Electrons keep on revolving around the nucleus with their same energy, and they can only jump from one orbit to another orbit. They will not fall inside the nucleus. So that was one defect. And there was another defect. According to Rutherford, when the electrons are revolving, they will give you a continuous spectrum. But according to classical electromagnetic physics, a line spectrum will be formed. So this is all about the Rutherford atomic model. I hope you have understood this. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Comment section is open, and later on we will deal with Bohr's atomic structure and the structure of an atom. So this is the Rutherford's atomic model, which is very simple and it's very important for the 9th grader students. उनके एग्जाम्स में ये आता है, ठीक है. So don't forget to like this video and please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.